So today we're diving into the morning letter written barefoot. And I have a question for you. What if the secret to a total health transformation was literally right under your feet? It sounds kind of wild, right? Well, this guide lays out an incredibly simple but powerful way to change your well being. Let's jump right in. All right, first up, we need to talk about a hidden danger. There's this constant threat, a battle that's happening inside your body right now. I'm talking every single second of every single day.
Okay, think about your body like a high-performance car engine. It's constantly burning fuel to give you energy. But what does every engine produce? Exhaust, right? Well, guess what? Our cells do the exact same thing. And this cellular exhaust is, well, it's pretty nasty stuff. It's a really harmful byproduct. And it turns out it's one of the biggest culprits behind so many of our modern health problems.
So, what exactly is this cellular exhaust? The scientific term is free radicals, and you can just picture them as these tiny, unstable atoms, kind of like little pinballs ricocheting around inside you, damaging your healthy cells wherever they go. This relentless internal damage, well, that's the root cause of so much, from aging to a ton of modern diseases like cancer and heart conditions.
So if the threat is happening 24/7, a one-and-done solution just isn't going to cut it, right? Our defense has to be just as constant. And that means we need to totally rethink a very simple everyday activity.
For most of us, walking is just exercise. It's about hitting that 10,000 step goal on our watches, another thing to check off the to-do list. But this guide wants us to see it completely differently. We need to shift our thinking from barefoot walking as exercise to barefoot walking as a way of life. It's not about a workout, it's about building a constant system of healing right into our daily routine.
So what makes this practice so amazing? Well, its power comes from two main scientific pillars. Now, the first one you've probably heard of, reflexology, the idea that pressure on certain points in your feet can stimulate blood flow and boost your immune system. And that's super important for sure. But the real game changer, the secret weapon in this fight against free radicals, is the second pillar, earthing.
And oh man, this is where it gets really fascinating. Let's dig into the science of earthing, because how direct contact with the planet can bring about such profound healing is, well, it's just incredible.
The science behind this is actually beautiful in its simplicity. So the Earth itself has this natural negative electrical charge. It's packed with free electrons. Now, remember those bad guys, the free radicals? They have a positive charge. So what happens when your bare feet touch the ground? It's like flipping a switch. The Earth's negative electrons flow right up into your body and, zap, they neutralize the harmful positive free radicals on contact. It basically means the Earth itself is the biggest, most powerful antioxidant you could ever find. And it's totally free.
Okay, so connect with the Earth, neutralize the bad guys. Sounds simple enough. But you might be thinking, well, if it's that powerful, why can't I just do it once a day and call it good? That's a great question.
Well, take a look at this. That red zone, that's the free radicals building up in your body all day long. It's a relentless 24/7 process. Now, see that yellow line? That's what one session of barefoot walking does. It brings the levels down, which is great. But look how fast they shoot right back up. It's the green line, the one with multiple sessions, that's the key. That's the only way to keep those nasty things consistently suppressed. One session is like trying to empty a constantly filling bathtub with just one tiny bucket. You're never going to win. The science is one thing, and it's pretty compelling stuff. But what about real people? What happens when this is put into practice in the real world? Let's check out some pretty incredible stories. Okay, get this. We've got folks like Lee Junam, 64 years old, who practiced 3 times a day. He overcame lung cancer risks and healed 15 years of stomach pain. Then there's Lee Gyung-soon, 63. Her severe dry eye syndrome vanished, and her bad cholesterol dropped like a rock. And Kim Sung-soo, 60, who actually normalized his kidney function after a serious diagnosis. Do you see the pattern here? The one thing they all did was commit to multiple daily sessions. This wasn't just a casual hobby, it was a dedicated system for healing. All of this, the science, the stories, it all points to a new, super simple rule for our health. And it's as fundamental as something else we all do every single day, without even thinking about it. This comparison right here just nails the whole idea. Okay, why do we eat 3 meals a day? To put energy into our bodies so we can live, right? So then, why should we practice barefoot walking 3 times a day? To take the toxic waste, the free radicals, out. It's a perfect system. One is for input, the other is for output. You absolutely need both for a body that's balanced and healthy. I really want you to let that sink in for a second. This isn't just a wellness trend or a nice lifestyle suggestion. The argument here is that this is an essential physiological requirement for modern humans who are disconnected from the earth. It's just as necessary as eating. So how do you actually make this happen in a busy life? Well, here's a pretty simple guide. You could aim for a session in the morning, maybe an hour around your home, find another 30 to 60 minutes in the afternoon on a break, and then wrap up with an hour in the evening to clear out the day's stress and free radicals. The core idea is consistent. Find a way to get at least 3 sessions in every day.
Are you feeling inspired, ready to begin? Awesome. But before you just kick off your shoes, let's cover the essentials to make sure you start your journey safely and effectively.
First things first, safety is paramount. Always be mindful of your path. Look out for things like glass or sharp objects. It's best to stick to safe, familiar areas like parks or trails you know well. And for an extra layer of precaution, it's a really good idea to make sure your tetanus vaccination is up to date.
Now for a few pro tips to help you succeed. The most important rule is consistency. The real benefits come from daily practice. Also, you've got to take care of your feet. Especially in dry seasons, make sure to wash your feet thoroughly after each walk. And, this is crucial, apply a generous amount of moisturizing cream to prevent your heels from cracking. So, to sum it all up, practicing barefoot walking 3 times a day isn't just a minor health hack. It's presented here as a complete system for life, a way to free ourselves from modern diseases by harnessing the fundamental healing power of the earth itself. So here's the final takeaway, and it's a direct call to action. For a life of greater health and vitality, the message is simple. Take off your shoes and connect with the earth. Why not start today? If this explainer gave you a fresh perspective on health, it would mean the world if you'd help us share more ideas like this. Please take a moment to subscribe, give this a like, and turn on those notifications so you won't miss what's next. And if you want to connect with a community of people already practicing this, you can join the National Barefoot Walking Movement headquarters on Naver Cafe. It's a great place to share information and find support. Thanks so much for watching.